Finally, after 2 years of putting those upper cupboards in, I'm finally getting around to doing the lower cupboards. Our new sink and that countertop, look at how pretty that is. Ooh-wee, that's beautiful. Let's turn some more lights on. Check that out. Look at that. Tell me that's not a beautiful countertop. Our pots and pans drawers right there. We've actually got drawers. And then that'll be a small cabinet. And dishwasher goes there. That's under the sink cabinet. And that right there is access to the back side of the bathroom. And we'll put a cover on that. Stove goes there. Of course, fridge is there. New floor too. Check that out. Purty. Purty, purty. I'm gonna put, we only had one outlet up here. And so we're putting another one there and another one there. And that one down there was a plug-in outlet and the switch for the fan up there. And we're wiring in the hood, or the range hood. I had a power cord where it went down to a plug-in, but we actually ran some wires up through there, and now that'll be hardwired in. And we're putting in a garbage disposal. Yeehaw. And that switch will be, turn it on and off, will be right there. And the breather for the garbage disposal will be right there. Or the dishwasher, I mean. And the faucet will be right there. Pretty cool. Can't wait till it's done. I love cooking. Need to get this done so I can start making some really cool dishes and have some nice cupboard space, because it only used to go right to here. Now we got all that extra now. Yeehaw. Thanks for watching. Bye.